again to your girl Andrea's Trini Show, and I'm in my backyard today. And today I'm going to be doing some curry chicken and aloo in my backyard. So here I have some chicken that's seasoned with green seasoning and some salt, black pepper, any type of green seasoning you want. You can season your meat and put a little sprinkle of curry. So I'm going to be using this chicken here. It's well seasoned, and also some aloo. Another name is potato. You want to have this potato immersed in water because it's going to be discolored by the time you're ready to use it. Okay, so we have some aloo here, and this is about 6 or 7 potatoes that I've cut up. And of course, you can't do curry chicken without curry. I have some hot curry here, and I'm going to be using some extra virgin oil, some garlic, and of course 1 hot pepper. That's all you need for this pot. So here we go with the recipe. You want to add some curry to a small bowl. I will give you the measurements at the end of the video. And you add some water to make just a paste. So you want to stir it until it becomes a nice thick paste. We're making curry chicken in my backyard, guys. For those of you who are new and have just tuned in, welcome to your girl Andrea's Trini Show. Alright, so now that you have the paste, next thing you do is to put some oil in the pot. You put like about 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil, vegetable oil, but I have some extra olive oil, virgin olive oil, so I'm going to be using that. You want a nice hot pot, okay, and you want to put in like about 4 cloves of crushed garlic. Small piece of pepper, because you want it spicy and nice. Smell the aroma coming from that garlic. And now you want to throw in the paste. You're putting in the curry paste in the pot. Add a little water. And give it a little toss. You make sure you get all of it. And the next step, you're going to add the curry to the pot, the chicken to the pot. Really nice flavors coming from my backyard, and you're just going to cover it. You're not going to add any water to it. Just cover it and let it simmer down. And I'll be back.
Oh, I can smell the curry.
You smelling the curry?
I can smell it.
You have to know how to prepare that curry, Papa. That's a special recipe.
Rastaman.
Rastaman.
I mean, I've eaten some good curry in this area, from Jamaican families in homes. But in the restaurant, everyone keeps on tasting different,
Yeah. Alright, you see how nice this curry is looking? It smells so good, and I haven't added any water to this pot. Really lovely looking curry chicken. So what I'm going to add to it now is a little bit of garam masala powder. Just a little tip. About 1/8 teaspoon. That is for extra flavor to this curry chicken. You want to wait until the chicken sort of leaving the bone. You understand? No water is to be added to this pot. I'm going to cover it again. I'll let it cook for another additional 10 minutes. before I add the potatoes. Now if you look at this chicken, you see the chicken leaving the bone. Look at it. It just leaving the bone. Everything looks so nice in this pot. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the potatoes. As I've said, you have to put the potatoes in water. So you just throw the potatoes, you cut it up nice, put it in some water, and you put how much potatoes you want. And this, everything is going to cook down with the sauce from this curry. Real sumptuous meal coming from my backyard. So now you're going to toss it around. And what happens with this pot is, as in all cooking with stews and stuff like that, when you cook with stew, you really don't want to add no water to your pot like that, unless it's thickened. Alright? So what happens is, the water evaporates like that. It forms little droplets, and it condenses back into this pot to add extra water to the pot. So I'm going to cover it until that potato is softened up. Okay, so now the pot is sticking just a little bit. If you put your spoon, your pot spoon, everything smells so good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little water to it, just to prevent it from sticking. Just a little water. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm going to turn the stove off now, because the curry chicken is finished. You can look and see how the potato is soft and nice. Look at it. So I'm going to display it for you and show you the end product. Okay, so this is the end product of my curry chicken cooked in my backyard. I hope you like what you saw. Try it out and leave a comment in the comment box. This is the girl Andrea signing off and saying see you with another great video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button while you're there. Bye.